Skeptical ka? Mas skeptical ako sa'yo 10 times pa. As in super. I don't want to trust anybody online. I don't want to trust any business online until I found out myself that this business make money. I will not hide to you guys yung date kung kailan ako huling nagkaroon ng business na checks. And this is the checks that's coming to me last month. Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung iba kasi 15 days bago dumating sa akin from the company. Since 2018, lagi ko nang nakikita sa Facebook yung mga ads pero hindi ako naniniwala. Scam lang ito. I don't want that. Ayokong ma-scam. Wala na nga akong trabaho, wala pa akong pera. Punong-puno ako ng utang tapos ma-scam pa ako. Kaya tinanong ko siya, anong proof mo na totoo yan? And she showed me her 1099 tax legal form, legit reported sa USA at saka sa Canada. And sa ibang bansa, is pinakita niya rin sa akin lahat ng dokumentary ng legitimacy ng company na ito. And I told myself, I believe it when I see it. Fast forward, 3 years na po akong full-time digital business owner. This business changed our life. Nakapagbakasyon na po kami after ng 9 long years na hindi ako nakauwi sa Pilipinas. Pagbakasyon na rin po kami sa ibang bansa katulad ng Switzerland, Austria, Germany, Disney, Cabo San Lucas, Mexico at kung saan-saan pa pong state by states. And nope, hindi ako nagbebenta sa family and friends ko. No crypto, no Bitcoin, no Forex, walang inventory, walang shipping. Meron kaming automated system that works habang tulog ka, habang nakabakasyon ka, at habang na-enjoy mo yung buhay dito sa Amerika at sa ibang bansa. I joined 2022. In my surprise, Florida, California, Spain, Dubai, hindi ko sila kilala pero they are now part of my team making this big money and making this 4 or 5 figure monthly katulad din ng ini-income ko, right? Busy mama ko, full-time parent, ang pinaka nakakabilib is yung patented compensation plan nila. Pwedeng ipamana sa anak mo hanggang 5 generations ng pamilya mo. Passive income for life. Posible ang 5,000 monthly, rest of your life, even before ka mag-retirement. And take note, pinakamababa po yun sa makukuha mo kapag ikaw is na-reach mo na yung goal mo dito sa business na ito. Yes, may startup fee, $149. Wala kang talo kasi kung ayaw mo ng business, pwede mo sabihin sa akin, I don't want the business, okay, I will refund you right away. $149 lang po at ikaw ay makikita mo na kung gaano kaganda ang business na ito. And if you're a parent na gusto ng extra income without missing out sa paglaki ng anak mo, this might be what you're praying for. Let me know if you're interested. Message me on my website, www.jameslng.com, and tutulungan kita kung paano makapagsimula ng online business. Kumita ka rin ng more than 4 to 5 figure monthly. Dito lang yan sa online. Bye for now. I'll see you on the inside.